Having trouble reverse parking? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reverse park perfectly, step by step. Step 1. Position your car parallel to the parking spot. Leave just enough space to reverse smoothly without hitting anything. Step 2. Turn your steering wheel fully towards the parking spot. Make sure you know which side you're entering. Step 3. Start reversing very slowly. Keep checking both side mirrors to make sure there's enough space around your car. Step 4. As your car begins entering the parking spot, slowly straighten your steering wheel. Keep moving back gently. Step 5. Move fully inside the parking spot and gently hit the brake. Congratulations! You've parked perfectly. Now you know how to reverse park like a pro. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more driving tips.